In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your project in Base44 2025 step by step. Base44 doesn't have a single backup now button, so the safest approach is to combine two built-in tools: automatic version history for quick rollbacks and a manual export of your source code for a copy you control. Think of version history as your safety net while you're building, and exports as your off-platform backup you can store securely. First, let's use automatic version history, sometimes called snapshots. Open your project in the Base44 editor and look for the area labeled History or Versions. The icon is often a clock or an undo style arrow. When you open it, you'll see a list of snapshots that Base44 creates automatically as you work. Each entry is timestamped, so it's easy to scan for the point you want to return to, like before a big refactor or right after a stable release. To restore, select the snapshot you want and choose Restore or go to this version. Base44 will load that state of your app's structure and design. Take a moment to confirm the change looks right and consider making a note in your project's documentation about why you rolled back. Remember, version history is designed for operational recovery inside the editor, so it's excellent for undoing mistakes or testing past configurations without leaving the platform. Next, let's create a manual code backup by exporting your source. This is especially useful if you want a local copy or to store code in your own repositories. From your app dashboard, go to the workspace or code settings area. There, choose your preferred export method. Download as zip if you want a file you can save right away, or push to GitHub if you want the code in a repository. Note that exporting often requires a paid plan and the proper workspace permissions. If you download a zip, save it to secure, redundant storage, like an external drive, plus a trusted cloud service. Name the file with the project and date, so it's easy to find later. If you push to GitHub, make sure you're using a private repository and that your access controls are in place. A quick verification, unzipping the file or checking the repo contents helps ensure the backup is complete and usable. That's it. Use Base44 snapshots for fast in-editor recovery and export your source code for an independent long-term backup. With both methods in place, you'll be able to revert confidently and keep your project safe over time.